In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Canva account permanently, whether you're looking to manage your online presence more carefully or simply move on from the platform. I'll guide you through each step of the process to ensure your account is completely removed. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the main Canva website. Once there, you'll need to look for the settings icon. It's typically represented by a small gear icon, commonly found at the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking this will take you into the settings menu where you can manage various aspects of your account. Once you're within the settings menu, the next step is to log in if you're not already. You might be prompted for your credentials here, so make sure you have your login information handy. Enter your email and password to access your account settings page. This step is crucial as it ensures you're accessing the correct account, especially if you have multiple accounts or devices. Now that you're logged in, head over to the section labeled Login and Security. This is where you can manage the more sensitive aspects of your account, including deleting it. You'll see several options here related to your account security, but our focus today is on account deletion. In the Login and Security section, look for an option labeled Delete Account. This is the button that will initiate the account deletion process. Before proceeding, make sure you come to terms with this decision as it cannot be undone. Deleting your account means all your designs, team projects, and any records of your activity will be lost. If there are specific files or designs you wish to keep, make sure to download them beforehand. After you click the Delete Account button, Canva might ask for a confirmation to ensure this action is intentional. Confirm the deletion when prompted. This step is there to prevent accidental deletions and to give users a moment to reconsider. Once confirmed, the deletion process will commence and your account will be scheduled for permanent removal. Remember, depending on Canva's policies and processes, there might be a short waiting period during which your account is in a temporary state of deactivation before being permanently deleted. During this period, if you change your mind, you may be able to reach out to Canva's customer support for assistance, and there you have it, you've successfully initiated the permanent deletion of your Canva account. Be sure to follow these steps carefully to ensure everything is processed correctly. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any other questions about Canva or any other topics, feel free to check out more of our content. Until next time.